Hello and welcome to the Grade 10 Bridging Programme information video about English. I'm going to talk you through a few of the things that you might need to know for the Grade 10 English Bridging Programme. These things include some of the skills, topics and assessments that you may encounter in the G10 English Bridging Programme. It is not exhaustive, but it will give you an overview of some of the key areas that we look at. I will talk to you about the skills required for the course, the topics that we cover, and examples of assessments. First, let's take a look at the skills you will develop in the course. These can be broadly defined as 4 main skills. The first is interpretation. Interpretation means understanding what texts are saying or what their messages are, and then expressing that in your responses to them. For example, you may offer an interpretation about a type of character in a book based on what they say in it. The second is analysis. Analysis means breaking the text down and looking at authorial choices and thinking about the effect they have. For example, what the effect symbols in a poem might have. The third is organization. Organization is about how you organize what you say or write and how you maintain a clear focus in your answers. The fourth skill is communication, and communication in this case is about how you communicate both in spoken and written contexts in a formal and academic way when dealing with texts. What kind of topics will we cover in grade 10? Well, this is not all of them, but these are just some examples. You may look at poetry and analyse a collection of different poems. You may look at media and advertising analysis, and you may also analyse other texts such as novels or drama. The important thing to remember is that we cover a range of literary and non-literary texts in this course. Finally, I will just give a quick overview of the assessments in grade 10. We have lots of different assessments, but generally we have 4 different kinds. One is a reading reflection, where we ask students to reflect on something they've read. Another type is analytical essays, where students analyse a text and write an essay about it. Another is presentations, where students talk about different texts. And the last is exams. The exams are also usually an analytical essay, but they are written in exam conditions. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope this video helped you understand more about the G10 English course.